Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What animals did you see? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Zoo. Feed. Leave. Huge. Conversation.
I went to the zoo yesterday.
What animals did you see?
Bears, lions, giraffes, and some others.
What else did you do?
I fed leaves to a giraffe. That was the best part.
Did you see an elephant?
Yeah, I saw some elephants.
Elephants are really big, aren't they?
Yes, they're huge.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
I went to the zoo yesterday.
What animals did you see?
Bears, lions, giraffes, and some others.
What else did you do?
I fed leaves to a giraffe. That was the best part.
Did you see an elephant?
Yeah, I saw some elephants.
Elephants are really big, aren't they?
Yes, they're huge.
Word quiz. Leave. Feed. Zoo. Huge. conversation quiz. What did Max say? Did you see an elephant? What animals did you see?
Bears, lions, giraffes, and some others.
What did Lily say? What else did you do?
That was the best part. I fed leaves to a giraffe.
What did Lily say? Elephants are really big, aren't they?
Yes, they're huge. Yeah, I saw some elephants.
You did it! You were superstar!
Yay!
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.